In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to get Apple Music student discount. So let's get started. It's simple. First, go into your Apple Music and then tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now, you would want to tap on account settings. In here is, after this loads, is that you want to tap on subscriptions. Now, you'll be prompted to all the subscriptions on your Apple account. You just need to find the Apple Music, which is this one. So you want to tap on it. And then from here, you will now be able to see the See All plans. Tap on that. And from here, you should now be able to see Student. Tap on Student. And then from here, you would now need to verify that you're a student. So you would need to provide your personal information about here. And then after that is that you might need to provide your school ID to prove that you're really a student. And then that's it. After you provided all the necessary details, then you should now be able to avail the student discount. And that's it. So just provide your personal information. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.